Hey, what's going on, people? My name's Tanner, and welcome to Crypto Bible. I am back home now after a lovely weekend away with a girlfriend. But yeah, work carries on, guys. We've got a few things that we need to speak about. Before I do, please make sure you are checking out my Discord. The link is in the description below. I want as many people to join it, just so they are, they can get their questions out there. We can build like a big community together. I can create any video ideas that you guys have. I want it to be about you. So, link in the description below to join the Discord. Please make sure you are doing it. It's free. I'll try to help as many people as I can. And yeah, I thought I'd just fit that in there before we do get started. Anyway, moving on. As you could probably see by the title, guys, there's a lot more people coming after Binance at this moment in time. And yeah, it's not looking fantastic. I'll be completely honest with you. As I said, I'll try and keep you guys updated with anything that I find. And I found this article. I've actually found a few of them. And I tried to just kind of dissect exactly what I wanted to show you guys, the most important things. And it does seem that, a lot more people are coming after Binance for whatever reason. And we're going to read into it today. And something is very important because, as you guys remember, XRP had the SEC over their head. And, it's created a lot of I wouldn't say too much. It did create panic, but things are taking very long for the SEC to be resolved with XRP. And I hate to see this, but I found this, guys, and basically SEC has filed a criminal charge against Binance. Now, look, relax, is in Thailand, but it's still an SEC charge over Binance, right? So the Securities Exchange Commission, SEC, has filed a criminal complaint against Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange platform, for illegally operating a digital asset business without a license under the Digital Asset Business Decree. So before taking the legal action, the SEC issued a warning letter in April requiring Binance to submit a written explanation for its unauthorized advertisements and posts on its website and Facebook account, soliciting the Thai public and investors to use its services. However, Binance failed to submit a response within the specified time frame. Now, why is it important for me to kind of bring this up? Because obviously, a lot of us are in the UK or the US, wherever you're watching from. What's frustrating is that the FCA, obviously the UK, has also come out with a warning against Binance, and they are giving them time to reply. Now, it's a little bit frustrating to see that Binance did not reply to the SEC in Thailand in time, and thus they may be taking things further now. And it's just, a little bit frustrating to see that the SEC have actually filed something against Binance anyway. It doesn't matter what country. Binance is Binance. And, they seem to be having a lot of people on their back right now, and it is not good news for them. So, they need to start coming out and making statements or actually getting the ball rolling. As we know, Binance doesn't actually have a headquarters anywhere. So it is very, very difficult for them to kind of comply with certain rules and regulations. They're coming out saying they want to do this and that, but not a lot's being done at the moment. And I thought I'd just let you guys know that. It's very, very important to understand what's going on all over the world with Binance. So violators of sections 26 and 66 of the decree are subject to a prison sentence of 2 to 5 years, fines of 200,000 to 500,000 baht, which is obviously the Thai currency, and daily fine not exceeding 10,000 baht for every day during the violation continues. So, filing the criminal complaint is merely the beginning of the criminal procedure. An official inquiry will investigate and then recommend whether the public attorney should prosecute. A court of justice will determine guilt, said the SEC statement. The SEC stressed only platform providers who have obtained relevant licenses under the law are allowed to provide any service related to digital asset business. The news doesn't come up as a surprise, as the SEC already issued a warning to Binance before. So yeah, there you go, guys. And it just kind of goes on to talk a little bit more about the statements that they said. I think Binance might stop promoting in Thai for now to avoid problems with the regulator. Binance was banned by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority on June 28. The same day, Binance decided to stop operating in Ontario, Canada, where authorities accused the platform of failing to comply with local regulations. Binance also received a warning from Germany's financial regulator. The company is also being investigated by the US Justice Department and tax authority. Yeah, all over the place. And if these lot do not get their act together, we don't know what's going to be happening in the future. Now, obviously, we need to understand that, if people are holding crypto on Binance, it's not going to be a case of it's all gone. No. things are obviously going to be put in place, and we do need to give time for things to actually start happening. Okay. However, what is quite scary and frustrating to see is that a lot of people are coming after them right now, and it's just happening from one country to another, and it all to do with regulations. And the thing is, Binance can sort everything out. They need to just start replying quicker to these people. As I said, until I get factual information, I will not report it. But this is what I obviously found today, and I wanted to just give you guys an update. It's not a full-on update in regards to UK being banned in the UK. However, it's still Binance, and it's still a problem within the UK. The second one that I wanted to show was this. So obviously we just read about Binance's troubles grow in Thailand as files criminal complaint, but similar warnings by Cayman Island, UK, and Japan. So similar warnings are coming out of Japan and the UK and the Cayman Islands as well, right? So the Thai Securities Exchange, yeah, we just obviously spoke about that. They had filed a criminal complaint against Binance. And it does seem that the same will be happening to the UK and Japan as well. So it is just a matter of waiting to see what Binance are going to be coming up with. I'd love to see a statement come out of them. Obviously, deposits from faster payments are still down. By the way, I need to apologize because I saw a lot of people commenting on my previous video about all deposits down. At the time of making that video, all deposits were down. As soon as I posted it, literally about half an hour to an hour later, deposits came back up. And I had a lot of people obviously commenting saying deposits are fine, I can deposit. So I do apologize. I'm not trying to mislead anyone or give false information. It was just the timing of when I dropped the video. So I hope you can forgive me for that. And I did pin a comment at the top to let people know that, but it seems like some people are still not seeing it. But yeah, I do apologize. Deposits are still fine through the debit card option. Obviously, you have to pay a fee. Withdrawals are also okay. It is just deposits via faster payments, which are still down, been down for about a week now. Still no update on it. So I'll let you guys know if I do have any other update on it, but absolutely nothing for now. And then the final piece that I wanted to show you guys is quite a long article. So we're just going to kind of read a few bits of it. It's from Financial Times. Binance crackdown. Regulators tussle with Wild West of crypto. So watchdogs aim to tighten porous border between digital currencies and conventional markets. So CZ companies Binance everywhere and yet based nowhere. Like I said, they don't have a headquarters. The cryptocurrency exchange has processed trillions of dollars in trades this year as it transfers digital and conventional money around the world through a constellation of affiliates and yet has no headquarters. So incorporated in the Cayman Islands, the company has grown at extraordinary speed into leading player in the fledgling industry. And then here it basically shows a chart of the volume within Binance and how it literally just went completely mental in Q2 of this year, which obviously would have been, April, May, June, even March as well. So yeah, but we're basically just going back to the whole Financial Conduct Authority and the warnings that have been coming out. The move by the UK regulator follows a warning from Japan last month that mirrored the concerns first expressed in 2018. So what we've seen here, guys, is a lot of warnings have come out from Binance a long time ago. We've had these warnings before, okay, from the FCA, even from the SEC. So that isn't fresh news. The fresh news is that Binance had not replied. Binance are doing things very slowly, and they are not actually coming up with the solutions to stop these regulations being coming out even more, right? So what we'd like to see moving forward is obviously Binance to make some kind of statement, keep the people calm, because they're not right now. Every day there is a new news article regarding Binance coming out from a different country, to do with some kind of regulation or law, and gets people thinking at this moment in time. So yeah, that's what I wanted to present to you guys today. Again, I do not want to start causing mayhem within the people because we want Binance to reply. Let's just still take a step back a little bit. Let's just see what happens out of this, right? There's no point going absolutely mental until we understand exactly what is going on right now, because behind the scenes, Binance may have replied. They must be doing something, okay? We also need to remember that media is very manipulative when it comes to crypto, and they can make people make forced decisions. And I'm not saying that they're not. I'm just updating you guys, but We've seen it before. So until we see some kind of update from Binance in regards to what's actually going on, let's take a step back. I'll keep you guys updated along the way, whatever I find. Of course I will. But yeah, otherwise we just got to kind of just wait and see what happens. That is going to wrap it up for today. I am back. The live streams are back from tomorrow 6:30. I will be doing a live stream. Please be sure to join the Discord. Links are all in the description below. Literally just click the link. If you've got Discord downloaded, you should be able to just join straight away. If you haven't, you just got to download it and then join. Like I said, want to build a big community on there. I've got channels on there where you can literally put your video ideas and I can make one for you. Questions, links to all of my videos and on YouTube. Want to make things quite easy. So yeah, join that, please. Let's just get that sorted too. Otherwise, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell icon to keep updated with any other video that I post in regards to all of this. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon, people. Take care.